I'm Jay Desio from Drone-Works. We always want to get the best images we can get. There are many things that can result in a photo that we wish was better. It could be the shadows are too dark, the sky is too bright, or both. AEB, auto exposure bracketing, can help in these situations. To enable AEB, open the camera settings on the main screen of your flight app. Select Photo, then AEB. Select either 3 or 5. The shutter icon will now indicate AEB is active. So what is AEB? Auto exposure bracketing. AEB takes 3 or 5 photos at different exposures: normal exposure, underexposed, and overexposed. These photos are then processed through an HDR application to merge the best parts of all the photos to bring out the shadows and reduce the highlights into a single photo. Here's a before and after comparison. When there's movement in an AEB bracket, the moving objects may exhibit motion blur. Most, if not all, HDR apps have auto align and ghost reduction options to eliminate the motion blur. I hope you found this video informative. Please subscribe to the Drone-Works channel and don't forget to click the like button. Thanks for watching.